Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to hide the date, time, system icons and tray icons from Windows Taskbar. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11 operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Windows 10 or older, the tricks will remain the same. So you can see here on the right bottom, you can see here the date and time, right? And these are the system icons, as well as this one. When you enable this are called as tray icons. So how you can hide this entire things? So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application name as Win11 Clock Toggler by the developer name as JMLRcon. Just search this application, and on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it. Now you can see the developer website page. So just scroll down below and you can see here Win11 Clock Toggler. Just click on it. Now you can see on the right side releases, right? Just click on it. And now you can see here just below the assets, you can see here Win11 Clock Toggler.zip. Just download this file. Wait for a few seconds. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just extract this zip file. Now you can see here the first applications, Win11 Clock Toggler. So just double click it. So now you can see once you start running it, you can see the date, time, system icons and the tray icons has been hidden from the Windows Taskbar. As you can see here, it's being hidden, right? So if you want to enable it again, just double left click on the same application. Voila, now you can see it's being restored back or unhidden again. So using this applications, you can easily hide the date, time, system icons and tray icons from Windows Taskbar very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.